See the white flag aloft our pole boat. So the flag is down. The boat on the inside is Greg Lambert. Excuse me. The boat on the outside, Scott Krause. But the boat's absolutely tipping down the AW Pools front straight. Boat's just heading around Junction in. So on the Bannister Marine back straight. Scott Krause leads out. He's got a healthy lead over Greg Lambert. So Scott just coming around Polytherm Pools and Restoration and onto the AW Pools front straight. Krause just coming out of Polytherm Pools and Restoration and onto the AW Pools front straight. Krause currently on his last straight here on the AW Pools front straight and receiving the checkered flag. So Krause taking the win. Just coming out of Bannister Marine onto the Polytherm southern end of the course. Here's Greg Lambert, tippy towing around the outside. Greg having a few issues late yesterday.